Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD for Friday. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis, and do not forget to check out the Forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel for the analysis of other pairs like GBP USD, Euro USD, GBP JPY, USD JPY, and many more. So let's get started. So this is the 4 hour chart of gold USD in front of us right now. Yesterday, when we were talking about gold, I I recommended a sell. Okay, I told you that you can go for a sell at this particular level when gold was at 1888, sorry 1788 level, and we were hoping that gold would reach the level of 1775, but we saw that gold reversed from 1880. So instead of coming down to the next support level, gold just reversed from the 1880. Many of you have made profit, but still we can right now, if we look at the chart of gold here, then we can see that gold looks bullish right now. And as you can see that gold is trading at 1799. So there is kind of a small trend reversal, and right now trading above the resistance of 1790. Okay, so the picture in gold is very confusing right now. If you ask me personally, I'll say that the chart of gold looks very much messy, confusing. Personally, I will not be trading on gold, at least for this week. So let's try to understand what is going on in the chart of gold USD first. Okay, then we'll be jumping to the strategy, but what we need to do, or what can be the best trading opportunity on the gold USD chart. Clear? Okay. So first and foremost, okay, like always, I will not be talking about this particular level 1750, because right now we can see that this support of 1750 is quite far away from the current market price. So this support level is no longer required. So what we need to focus here is that gold is trading at 1790. So previously, listen to me carefully, 1790 was the support for the market, then it became the resistance here, then it tried to provide support to the market, again it became resistance, and right now we are not sure whether it has become the support or not. Okay, so previously it was the support, then it became resistance. Right now we do not know the role of 1790 on the chart here. Okay, we are still trying to figure out what will be the role. Okay, it need, at least we need 4 to 8 hours, or at least we need 1 or 2 candles more, so that we can understand whether it is taking support at this level or not, whether the market is still respecting this level or not. But right now we do not have the confirmation whether market is respecting 1790 as a support or not. Therefore we do not have anything right now. Okay, and those who have already taken a buy position, I hope you are in good profit right now. Enjoy the profit. Just keep in mind that we also have few resistances on the chart of gold USD. Okay, as of now I will not recommend any buy level. Okay, I will not recommend any buy level on the chart of gold USD, because right now we do not have any proper confirmation about the support of the market. As I've already said, we do not know whether this is support or not. Okay, and today is Friday, market will be closing by the evening, so do not initiate any buy position now. If you are in a buy position, enjoy the profit, that's it. And what will be your take profit target if you are in buy position? You can see that I have drawn a trend line here. Okay, trend line here, and to understand the trend line I need to zoom out the chart. So after zooming out the chart, you can see that market is kind of following. Okay, market is kind of following this trend line as a resistance. Okay, therefore there is a possibility that after reaching this particular level of, let's say, 1805, okay, around 1805, market will be reversing. The market may reverse. In that case, you can exit from your buy order. On the other hand, if it goes up, okay, if it crosses this trend line, then market has a good resistance at 1808 level. For me right now, the only prominent level or the strong level on the chart of gold USD to initiate any trade is 1808 level. And to understand the importance of 1808 level, we need to go to the weekly chart. So this is the weekly chart of gold USD in front of us right now. Let me remove the drawings here so that you can understand the chart better. So here you can see that at 1808 level we have a resistance on the weekly chart, and as we all know, weekly chart belongs to the institutional traders, the big players. Therefore the support and resistance level from the weekly chart are very strong, and you can see that previously also the market is trying to cross this level. Market is unable to do so. Here you can see that for 3 consecutive weeks, for 3 consecutive weeks in July month. In the month of July, for 3 consecutive weeks, market had a tough fight with the sellers, but ultimately market surrendered in the month of August. So therefore 1808 is a very strong resistance for the market, and I'll say that it is the only safe position to short the market or initiate a trade on gold USD. So apart from this level, I'll recommend not to go for any fresh position right now, because personally I do not find any safe opportunity on a gold USD chart right now, because see, market was falling and so it reversed from here, and right now it is trading above the trading above the resistance, and still we do not have the confirmation yet. Okay, so and I will also not recommend to short term market at this trend line, because again I do not have the confirmation yet. Okay, because this trend line is quite an old one. This trend line is quite an old one, so I cannot say that you may get a good opportunity to short the market, because there is a theory in the market. If a market if you find market testing a level too much, or if a market is testing a resistance too much, then the resistance gets hurt, then market breaks the resistance gets broken. So, and looking at the present bullishness in the market here, it is not a good position to short the market here. So only good opportunity according to me is 1808 level. So wait for the opportunity, and that's it. Today is Friday. If possible, try to avoid trading on gold USD. Okay, I'll be coming down tomorrow again. I'll be explaining what should be a strategy for the next week in detail. So today's video you may not like it, because the chart is quite confusing, so my analysis may also confuse in some other way. So that's it. Thank you so much. Bye bye. See you tomorrow again with the analysis for the next week. Bye bye. Take care.